Hi guys, so you guys know that we are quarantined. There's not much to do, so I am working on my backyard, and I decided to use an old hanging basket that I had laying around and just putting some beautiful flowers in them for a beautiful arrangement to sit on my deck once it's finished. So I'm taking you guys along and showing you exactly what I'm using. I'm using, I don't know the name of this, but I'm going to show you. It's $2.98 from Lowe's. But it's this centerpiece I'm using. I cannot think of the name. I don't know. It's Spike something. They need water 2 times a week, more often when dry. The average mature size is 12 to 24, or 24 height to 48 way. I don't know. But yeah, they're just my centerpiece. And then I'm going to use some impatiens because they bloom spring, summer, and fall. And I think these do too. Yeah, I think these bloom spring, summer, and fall as well. And I'm going to put some impatiens around them. And then I'm going to do a little bit of, this reminds me of the Creeping Jenny. Oh, this one is Creeping Jenny. This one was $3.48. And this one, you know, is moist. It grows averagely 2 to 4. I like the color green that it gives, so I'm going to put this on the side. But I got 3 of the impatiens, and like I said, they bloom spring, summer, and fall. So this is a good, and this one is shade a long way. This one is partial sun, so kind of like shade, and I believe this one as well. So I'm going to put these in the basket, and I want to show you guys how I do it. I'm probably going to use that Miracle Grow right there. That's like $8 per bag at Lowe's. You might can get them cheaper at Walmart, I'm not sure. These baskets that I'm using are from when I actually bought some flower baskets that already had flowers in it. So instead of buying more flower baskets, I decided to go ahead and use them. So I'm going to go ahead and plant them now. I'm going to loosen my roots up so it won't. But this one has multiple colors. What I'm going to do, because these multiply, so they will grow all the way around the bottom. What I'm going to do is just stick it in. As you see, it's still tall, but I'm going to put some packing in there. And I'm going to put some soil. I'm going to top it off with some more soil. So that one goes there. This one. And if you hear kids in my background, I do in-home daycare, and they're jumping on the trampoline right now. While I'm doing this, this one will go over here in this corner, and again I'm going to pack it down. Again, like I said, they multiply, so this whole basket around will be completely full. I'm going to use the Creeping Jenny to give it a, loosen my roots up, but use this to give it a little bit more different greenery color. I'm going to put it right here because it will go, it's like a vine. It will kind of go over. And then I'm going to do the other. I'm going to do the other one. Now this is not an impatient. I just realized this one is spring, summer, and fall as well, but it multiplies as well. But this one is for sun, so we'll see how I do. Because they were in the wrong section. And I'm loosening up my roots. And I'm putting this one right over here in this corner. I'm gonna pack that in. So this is how it actually looks, but I'm telling you, these things grow and multiply in this one so well that it will cover this whole basket. It's gonna look so beautiful. So yeah, this is my flower arrangement.
to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.